Hey everybody, I'm Dave Nelson, President and owner of Nel PreTech Corporation, and I'm here at the IMTS show. It's been a 2-year hiatus since the show has been on. Now that we're post-COVID, they've brought all kinds of new and great technology, and we are here demonstrating and talking about our CT and 3D scanning services. So welcome. We bring some engineering and metrology value-added services, and we bring that value-added service through our people, our process, and our platform, and we call that the great differentiator. So these are the things that we add to those 3D scans that we're selling. So on the people side of things, we bring metrology expertise, engineering design, physics, software expertise. All of our guys are mechanical engineers, physicists, and so forth. And so our process involves metrology services, reverse engineering services, engineering design assistance, blueprint development, GD&T consulting, datum structuring, fixture design, and sometimes all of that in combination in a turnkey type service where we're helping customers develop the product, get it launched, get it transferred to production. And so that entire process is accredited. And what does that mean? Of course, it's a nice piece of paper and a piece of documentation that's often required, but it does establish our competency of our skill, the adequacy of our equipment, the reliability of our business process, our quality management system. And a couple of things I'd like to point out as part of that are real important are contract review and final inspection. Those two elements really reduce the incidence of error and ensures that we have a nice clean deliverable so you can have high confidence in what you're receiving and make good, quick decisions for your process and your product. And of course, we have proven measurement uncertainty that's required of the accreditation. So weekly experiments that validate that uncertainty that we publish, and that's very important for those customers that have very tight tolerances or just simply need to provide that documentation. So all that kind of combines to a value-add customer experience, right? So what do you get? You get this high-level engagement with top-tier engineering support. We help interpret those data sets that we deliver so you can improve your product quality, your manufacturing, and your production processes. And we give you immediate online assistance. This is the difference between traditional measurement and 3D scanning and CT scanning, right? So 3D and CT scanning produces a digital data set that lives on forever, and so we can provide immediate assistance, immediate interpretation, immediate edits and changes on the fly, so you don't have to send parts back, we don't have to reset up, we don't have to reprogram anything. It's all done quickly and efficiently online. That's definitely a game changer.